So if you are using the internet download manager for your PC, then you might want to add this extension to your Chrome browser, but the problem comes in when you download the Chrome browser extension. So if we go to the extension store from the Chrome browser, here you can see I'm using my Chrome browser, and if I just search for the IDM or IDM download manager, then there is no extension show in this list. You can see here there is no extension for this internet download manager, but there is a way that you can add this extension to your browser and easily download anything you want from the web. So first of all, there is a link in my description. You just need to copy this link. You will not get the extension in this store by searching here. So what you need to do is just paste the link from my description, and then you can come to this page, and here all the instructions have been displayed here, but I will show you how actually install this. So first of all, you can see there are some instruction, and there is a Chrome extension link. So you need to click on this link to download the extension from here. So I just click on this link and I will redirect to the new page in the Chrome store. So here you can see the extension IDM integration module. So this is the module that we need to install on our browser on the Chrome extension on Windows 10 PC. So first of all, I will click on this add to Chrome extension, and once I click, it will show this pop-up and you need to click on add extension. So it will take a little time. And one more thing to consider, that you will not able to download anything only just adding this module to your PC. What you need to do, you just need to install the IDM, the main IDM software on your PC. Here you can see I have successfully already installed the IDM software. So once you have the IDM software, then you can just install this on your PC and use through it. So this is all, our download have been successful. You can see that IDM extension have been enabled, and I can also enable this for incognito browsing mode. So after downloading this, you can just abstract some setting in this extension. That is when you right click here, you will get this option. This can read and send site data. So what you need to do, you can choose any of this option. I generally choose the on all sites, so it will download file from all sites that I want. And if you don't want to allow this extension to download something from any site, then you can just click when you click on the extension. So every time you click on the extension, it will help you to download the file, but I will prefer to select this one on all sites. So I hope you like the video, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, the like button, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.